this video, I want to show you how to create draft user free. First, you need to click add-ons, Coffee Form, and then load form template, and then you can search dark user free. After you found it, just click load selected template, and you can check the dashboard, responses, questions, and the settings. And you just need to refresh the page. After that, you click Coffee Form and get link, and then just click continue and choose your account, and then click advanced and go to Coffee Form and click allow here. And then you will get a link like this. Just copy it and paste it into your search engine. And now the form is ready to use. You can also change the question or custom your form. For example, here I want to insert new row. I use text here and copy the text and change the questions, for example name, and go to your form, and it will show like this in the form. Or maybe you can change the type into date, and don't forget to change the text to date like this. So the audience can pick easily from the calendar. Or maybe you can delete the row like this, so the row will disappear instantly. And then go to settings to change your background color of your form, for example like this, so it will change. It's very easy. Or maybe you can change the style of the title. For example, here I delete the mark behavior like this, and go to your form, and now the title will stuck like this. Thank you.